So this is the pound dollar analysis for Wednesday the 20th of June. Now let's just have a look at them prices, where prices may likely go. So we did see prices break down beyond the 32.20, 31.93, and we have had price come down towards the 31.47 now. We were saying that 31.47 possibly going to be a very strong level here on the pound against the dollar. What we have seen is a marked slowdown in towards this 31.47. Do appear to have had a test, a brief pullback at the moment. So if we do hold support in around this 31.47, we'll possibly looking for a move up towards that 31.93. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices to test this 32.20, which previously acted as a support earlier. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 32.20 all the way up towards that 32.81, so possibly that 32.20 being the far end of the range here to the upside. If, however, we do break down from 31.47, we're looking to target the 30.93, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards that 130, but there are some levels in around that 130.40 and at 130.30 before we head down towards this. Probably should put it on the chart actually. Now I do remember, so I'm just going to put it on the chart just now. So it's in around the, let's just put it at 30. Just bear with me a second here. Just going to put it at 39 essentially. There we are. So we do have a few minor levels. We do have a few minor levels in around that 30.40, in around that high 30.30s or 30.40 before looking for price head down towards that 130 or possibly down towards that 129.83 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily charts. Here prices have been developing. So here on the daily chart, we can see here we had the sell-off, had a brief pullback, further sell-off, bearish engulfing candle. And we have seen that momentum follow through to the downside here. We've broken it beyond our previous lows where we did have the pullback, pretty strong break. We've come down into this area that we said would have some importance in around the 31.47. Not only the horizontal level, but we've also got the 400 period moving average here on the daily chart. That's increased, and I could have seen a bullish bounce at that level. And we're seeing prices held up slightly at the moment, but there remains a possibility of seeing prices break down further. Now, we were saying the importance of in around that 130.40s, that 130.30s, and this is pretty much the area we can see on the daily chart. Again, we did come down towards that area before finding support. So I've marked it out on the chart, so it is an area of some importance if we do see the retracement all the way back towards that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.